All of you, and today's class we will discuss topic is estimation. Exercise 1.3 estimation. Children, when we need to do large calculation and if there is no necessity to give exact value of number, that time we do estimation. We rounded off the given number to the nearest tens or the nearest hundred or the nearest thousand. So there are 3 points. First one is nearest tens or nearest hundred and nearest thousand. Okay, basically that depends on our convenience. Suppose the example, I am writing one example here. Suppose 3,70,000 students, nearly 3,70,000 students are appearing for a particular exam. So this nearly shows here that this is not an exact value or exact number of students. That 3,70,000 can be 3,69,433 or it can be 3,72,939 or something like that. Okay, so this is not an exact value. It can be maybe more or less. So this is for this. This is the estimated value of given number. Okay. Okay. First topic we will take before this nearest tens. Okay. Suppose this one 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. This side I am writing 20. So this one, and for 22, okay, we are explaining here what is the nearest tens. Okay, so for 22, nearest tens of 22 is 20. See, you can see this, the difference here is 2, this side difference is 2 and this side difference is 8. Okay, for 22 nearest tens are can be 20 or 30. So you can see here for this side the difference is 2 and that side difference is 8. So nearest tens of 22 is 20. Just like this another number, suppose this one 27. 27. So this side nearest tens is 30. Because difference this side is 3. 1, 2, 3. And this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that side gap is 7 and this side gap is 3. So it will be converted as 30. Or so the rule is if the last or ones place digit of the given number is less than 5, the number is converted or rounded off to the previous tens. So less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0. That number will be converted or rounded off to the previous tens. And if the ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, the number will be rounded off to the next tens. Okay. So just like this for 21, 22, 23, 24. They all will be converted into 20. Okay. This is an example. And 25 to 29. That all will be converted into 30. Okay. Next is nearest hundred. So just like nearest tens, suppose any number 154. Okay. So any number if the last two place digit are less than 50 and 50 se kam ho, that number will be converted into previous 100. Okay. So this one is 100 and 200. So last two digits are 54. Okay, which is less than which is greater than 54, so it will be converted as 200. So nearest 100 154 will be 200. Okay, one more example is 134. Okay, here last two digit 34. 34 is less than 50, that's why they will be converted into 100. 100 and 200, so it will be converted into nearest hundreds. Simple thing is, if the last two digit of the number are less than 50, यानी 50 से कम है अगर number, that number will be converted into previous 100. उससे पहले जो 100 है उसमें वो convert हो जाएगा. And if the last two digit are 50 or greater than 50, that will be converted to the next 100. Okay, next जो 100 आ रहा है उसमें convert हो जाएगा. Whatever the multiple of 100 is there, which is next, that will be converted into next one. This is the first question, so in which we have to apply the general rule. Basically, there is no Riddick rule for estimation. The procedure depends on accuracy of calculations, and second thing is how much time you need to do that calculation. So for this one, we are converting them into nearest 100. So see, 730 nearest hundreds are 700 and 800. Okay. So 700 and 800, nearest one is 700 here. We can easily see this. The last two digit here is less than 50. 50 से कम है last की two digit. It means it will be converted into the previous 100, which is 700. And here is 900 and 1000. Okay. So see, the last two digit here, 98. It is greater than 50, so it will be converted into 1000 here. So add them. So estimated value of 730 will be 700 and estimated value of 998 will be 1000. So our answer is 700. Okay, this is the first one. Next is, this problem is related with subtraction. You can see here 796 minus 314. So again we are rounded off these number to the nearest 100. Okay. So nearest 100, 796, 700 and 800, and this side is 314. So this will be 300 to 400. Okay. These digits, ये digits क्या बता रहे हैं? ये number जो है वो इनके बीच में कहीं आ रहा है. Okay. So 796. So the nearest one is 800 here. Why? Because again the rule is same. Last two digit you can see here 96 and 96 is greater than 50. That's why 796 will be converted as 800. And here last two digit is, here last two digits are 14, 14, and 14 is less than 50. So it will be converted into 300. Okay, so we will replace them. Estimated value we are writing here, so it will be 800 minus 300 and this will be 500. Estimation always help you to do large calculations in a quick way. Okay, it will save your time, and we will use this method only if there is no necessity to give exact answer. Only then we will use this rules. So third one is 12,904 plus 2,888. So for this time we will convert it into nearest 1000. So 12,904 thousands are 12,000 and 13,000. Okay, I told you there is no Riddick rule, it's up to us. And next one is 2,888. So thousands are 2,000 and 3,000. So for this one we will consider the last three digit here for 1001. If the last three digit are less than 500, that will be converted into the previous thousands. And if the last three digit are 500 or greater than 500, that will be converted into next thousand. So see this one is greater 904, greater than 500, so it will be converted into 13,000. In other words, we can see the difference here is less than this side. Okay, this side difference is 904. इस तरफ देखेंगे तो difference 904 है, and this side difference is 96. Okay, so 300 is the near 13,000 is the nearest one. Just like this side 2,888. The nearest one will be 3,000. Okay. Again, the last three digit, consider your last three digit are greater than 500. So it will be converted into next 1000. So write it, the approximate value of this one is 13,000 and this one is 3,000. So add them, the answer will be 16,000. Okay, the next second question is this one. This is a problem related with addition, but in this question it is mentioned that we have to convert them or rounded off these number to the nearest 100. It is already mentioned in the question that given number we have to round it off to the nearest 100. So start करते हैं 439. Rounded off करने हैं हमको nearest 100 में. So 439 nearest 100. See this. Again, the last two digit here is 39 here. Okay, 39 is less than 50. 50 से कम है. It means it will be rounded off to 400. So rounded off of this number is 400. Next is 334. Comes between 300 and 400. So this one is, again this one is less than 50. So it will be rounded off to 300. Okay, and next one is 4,370. So hundreds are 4,300 and 4,400, and last two digits are 70, which is less than 50. So again it will be rounded off to 4,300. So replace that. Estimated value of this number is 400 and this one is 300. And the last one is 4,300. So add them. This one is 5,000. Next one, this problem is related with subtraction, and again it is mentioned in this question also that we have to round it off these number to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so see the first one, 1,08,737. Nearest hundred of this one is 1,08,700 and 1,08,800. These are the nearest hundred here. So see the nearest one here is 1 lakh. The last two digits are 37 and 37 is less than 50. So it will be converted as 1,08,700. And next one is 47,599. Nearest hundreds are 47,500 and next one is 47,600. So clearly we can see here that this one is the nearest hundred here, 599, and the last two digits are 99, which is greater than 50. So next number is this one. It will be converted into 600. So now see this. Estimated values are 1,08,700 minus 47,600. So 0 minus 0, I am writing here also 108,700 and 47,600. This is the rough work here. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is our rough work. Okay, so this one value will be 61,100. This is our final answer. And this one is third question, again related with subtraction. 8,325 minus 491. Again we have to convert it into rounded off to nearest 100. So 8,325, the nearest tens are 8,300 and 8,400, and the last two digit here is 25, which is less than 50. So it will be converted into 8,300. And next number is 491. So hundreds are 400 and 500, and the nearest one is 500. Last two digit here is 91. And 91 is greater than 50, so it will be converted into 500. So write it here, 8300 minus 500. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 13 minus 5 is 8 and 7. So the answer is 7800. This is our final answer. These all questions are related with estimation, and there is no Riddick rule. We will do the calculations based on our preference. This is based on our convenience. According to us, we will convert it into nearest tens, hundred and thousand.